So, welcome to Above and Beyond Creative Sewing. I am Kathy.
And I'm Al.
And today we're here to talk to you about a new tiling scene that we got in from OESD.
Yeah, we're real excited about it because we've done a couple of these tiling scenes here at the store, and Diane's done a bunch of them.
Yes.
They're really beautiful.
They are. So this is the picture that we have of it, and if you've never seen one up close, we do have one here that Diane stitched out recently over the summer. This is called Summer Glory. Yeah. And look how beautiful this came out, all these vibrant colors, just gorgeous.
And you know, just because this was, I guess, intended to be for July 4th, but we've got a lot of holidays coming up, a lot of national holidays.
Absolutely.
Veterans Day, Labor
Day, absolutely, so where you can do the, anything patriotic.
Just beautiful to display in your home,
yeah.
Or give as a gift. And we still have a couple of the CDs left for the Summer Glory.
We do. We have 3 left. So, yeah, this is a really nice gift if you're giving this as a gift.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
So, okay, great.
So let's talk about the new tile scene. What's it called?
It is called Happy Snowman Tiling Scene. So we do have some here, and then we also...
He looks happy.
He does look happy. Why would he not be happy? He's a snowman.
True, he's a snowman, yeah. In summer.
Well, technically,
yeah,
but whatever. So, Happy Snowman Tiling Scene, and OESD was very nice, and they put a thread kit together that comes with all the threads that you're going to need in the Happy Snowman Tiling Scene.
It's 24 spools of thread are included in the thread kit. Everything you need to complete the tiling scene, which is really awesome.
Yeah, so you don't have to, shop around for thread. It's all right here in this package, so
that's right.
That's great.
And we have a special. If you buy the tiling scene and the thread,
you get 15% off of both.
That's great.
So that's a great deal.
Yeah, so you can save a couple of bucks by buying the thread in bulk for the tiling scene.
Yeah.
So we'd love you to come in and take a look at it. It's a great deal. It's a lot of fun to make. Diane loves making these. They sew together just beautifully.
Yeah.
And they're really stunning when you hang it on the wall.
They are beautiful, yep. And then also OESD has come up with a special offer that if you spend $79 in the month of September, October, and November, 3 separate purchases, you're going to get a free CD. So this is the free one for September. It's called Warm and Cozy Greetings. So come in and spend $79 on OESD products. It could be stabilizer, it could be scissors, whatever. Anything OESD. Come in and get the Snowman CD and the thread kit.
If you just buy that, you automatically get a free CD.
Yeah. So so $79 of anything OESD, you get your free CD, and there's going to be a different one every month. So you're going to come in October and repeat, you'll get another free CD, and then you're going to come in November and repeat, and you'll get another free CD. So that's pretty cool.
And it's all in the Warm and Cozy line, so they're all going to kind of work together and kind of fit into your home together, which is really cool.
Yeah.
This one has ornaments, it has cards, greeting cards you can make with it.
Yeah, so it's really cute. A lot of cute things here.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, so $79, you get a free CD.
I mean, that's a great deal because these things sell for like 75 bucks just by themselves.
Yeah.
So that's pretty awesome. Now, we also have a challenge.
We do have a challenge. This is going to be fun.
Yeah.
So come in and get your Happy Snowman tiling scene, and the challenge is... And the thread kit. The first person who can stitch this out completely, finished and binding and everything...
By December...
23rd, right before Christmas. But you have to come in and show it to us. You can't just call us and say, I've done it.
Because we're going to make you take a picture with it, and we're going to probably put it on Facebook or something.
So
or maybe we'll do a little video.
Maybe we'll do a special, I can't talk, a special Facebook Live with the winner who does it first. Yeah. So we are going to, our winner is going to receive this awesome OESD scissor set.
Which is really amazing.
It's awesome.
This is a great set.
Anything OESD, they really, they have nice products. So it comes with 5 different tools here, and the value is about $100. So we're going to be giving this away to the first person who completes the Happy Snowman tiling scene and actually brings it in the store and shows it to us.
There's one little caveat to that. You have to buy the tiling scene and the thread kit to participate.
Okay.
So you just come in and buy those 2, and then the challenge is on. So we expect we're going to have a couple people
hopefully,
fighting to get this done.
Fighting.
Sewing frantically to get this done.
So hopefully, so it can be done. They do take a lot of time to stitch out, but you know what? You got a couple months to do it, and then you'll get this beautiful scissor set.
And I just want to say, this scissor set, and I've used this, the finish on these is a matte finish. It's not that shiny steel finish. They just look nicer, and they feel nicer in your hand.
And they're
feel
super
smooth.
sharp.
Super,
Yeah, and
super sharp.
these thread snips here really get close. Like if you're doing fabric appliques, like the freestanding lace that I love so much,
Yeah.
you can really get a close cut with these snips. So this is a really nice tool set.
So nice toolkit, free to the first person that completes the Happy Snowman
tiling
after
scene.
having purchased the CD and the thread kit from us.
Awesome.
So those are the only caveats to
Okay.
that, but we want you to enjoy doing it, and the challenge is on.
Let's do it.
And we're not participating in the challenge. We're not going to actually sew it.
That's right.
So, you know, because we have time to do it here, but you find the time to do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you have questions, of course, come in. We'll help you.
Absolutely.
So, okay, great. So thanks for joining us. Don't forget to come in and get your Happy Snowman tiling scene.
Yep, and your free CD
That's
with
right.
$79 purchase.
That's right. Okay.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.